Flip phones are back, and they're better than ever. Whether you're after nostalgia, sleek style, or serious smartphone power in a compact design, 2025 has something for you. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best flip phones of 2025, from cutting-edge foldables to modern classics. Let's dive in. Number 1. Motorola Razer Ultra 2025. The Motorola Razer Ultra 2025 stands as the pinnacle of flip phone innovation, redefining the clamshell design with cutting-edge technology and a nod to its iconic heritage. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, this flagship foldable delivers blazing fast performance, effortlessly handling multitasking, gaming, and AI-driven features. Its 4-inch edge-to-edge cover display, with a 165Hz refresh rate, offers a seamless experience for apps and notifications without unfolding, while the 7-inch AMOLED main screen, also at 165Hz, ensures vibrant visuals and smooth animations. The titanium reinforced hinge is 4 times stronger than previous models, promising durability for up to 35% more folds. A triple 50-megapixel camera system main, ultra-wide, and selfie delivers crisp, vibrant photos with features like super zoom and group shot for dynamic photography. The 4,700 mAh battery supports 68W wired and 30W wireless charging, providing all-day power and a full charge in minutes. Running Android 15, it integrates Moto AI features like Catch Me Up for notification summaries and Pay Attention for live transcription, enhancing productivity. The phone's premium design shines with unique finishes like Alcantara fabric and wood and Pantone colors such as Scarab and Mountain Trail. Despite its $122,299 price, the Razer Ultra justifies the cost with 16GB RAM, up to 1TB storage, and Gorilla Glass ceramic for drop resistance. However, its 3-year software update commitment lags behind competitors. With IP48 water and dust resistance, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.4, it's a stylish, powerful choice for those seeking the ultimate flip phone experience in 2025, blending nostalgia with modern sophistication. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is a refined evolution of the flip phone, blending sleek design with robust performance, making it a strong contender in 2025. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, it handles demanding tasks and AI features with ease, paired with 12GB RAM and up to 512GB storage. The 3.4-inch AMOLED cover screen, running at 60Hz, supports widgets and select apps, while the 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X main display at 120Hz delivers crisp, vibrant visuals with 2600 nits brightness. Its camera system includes a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, offering sharp, natural photos, though colors can be oversaturated. The 10-megapixel selfie camera supports auto zoom for hands-free shots. With a 4,000 mAh battery, it lasts up to 16 hours and 20 minutes, supporting 25W wired and 10W wireless charging. Running Android 14, upgradable to 15, it boasts Galaxy AI features like Circle to Search and writing tools, backed by 7 years of software updates, ensuring longevity through 2021. The IP48 rated design with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and a matte finish frame is compact at 6.60 ounces, fitting easily into pockets. Samsung's hinge feels sturdy, and the near-invisible crease enhances the viewing experience. Priced at $199, it's $200 less than its top rival, offering value for Samsung loyalists. However, its cover screen is smaller, and charging speeds are slower compared to competitors. Ideal for those prioritizing brand reliability and long-term support, the Z Flip 6 combines style and functionality for a premium foldable experience. Number 3. Motorola Razer 2025. The Motorola Razer 2025 strikes an impressive balance between affordability and premium features, making it a standout in the flip phone market for 2025. Equipped with the Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 processor, it delivers solid performance for daily tasks and gaming, paired with 12GB RAM and up to 512 GB storage. Its 4-inch pulled cover screen, larger than many rivals, supports full app functionality at 120 Hz, while the 6.9-inch AMOLED main display offers smooth visuals at 165 Hz. The hinge design is improved for durability, with an IPX8 rating for water resistance, though it lacks dust protection. The camera system features a 50mm main sensor and a 50mm telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, alongside a 32mm selfie camera, producing high-quality images, though low-light performance could improve. Its 4,000 mAh battery lasts over a day, with 45W wired and 15W wireless charging for quick top-ups. Running Android 15, it includes Moto AI features like Remember This for context recall, but its 4-year software update policy is shorter than some competitors. The sleek design, available in vibrant colors like Viva Magenta, is both stylish and pocketable at 7.02 ounces. Priced at $699, it's a budget-friendly alternative to flagship foldables, offering premium features without the premium price. The larger cover screen and fast charging make it ideal for users seeking value and functionality. However, the lack of M-Wave 5G and a telephoto-focused camera may not suit all. The Razer 2025 is perfect for those wanting a modern flip phone with a nostalgic twist. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 remains a compelling choice in 2025, offering a polished flip phone experience at a more accessible price point than newer models. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, it delivers strong performance for multitasking and casual gaming, with 8GB RAM and up to 512 GB storage. The 3.4-inch AMOLED cover screen at 60 Hz handles notifications and widgets effectively, while the 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X main display at 120 Hz provides vibrant colors and smooth scrolling. Its dual 12MP rear cameras, main and ultra-wide, and 10MP selfie camera capture clear photos, with improved low-light performance over its predecessor, though it lags behind newer 50MP systems. The 3,700 mAh battery lasts about a day with moderate use, supported by 25W wired and 10W wireless charging. Running Android 13 upgradable to 15, it benefits from Samsung's 7-year update promise, ensuring support through 2030. The IPX8 rated design is compact and durable, with a sturdy hinge and minimal crease visibility. At 660 ounces, it's pocket-friendly, though the glossy finish attracts fingerprints. Priced around $999, often discounted, it's a cost-effective option for foldable enthusiasts. Galaxy AI features, like translation tools, add versatility, but the smaller battery and dated cameras are drawbacks compared to 2025 models. Ideal for Samsung fans seeking a reliable, stylish flip phone with long-term software support, the Z Flip 5 blends retro charm with modern functionality, making it a great value pick. Number 5. Nubia Flip 5G. The Nubia Flip 5G is a game changer in the flip phone market, offering an affordable entry into foldables at just $499, making it the best budget option for 2025. Powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor, it handles everyday tasks like browsing and streaming with ease, though it's less suited for heavy gaming. With 8GB RAM and up to 256GB storage, it's practical for most users. The 3.6-inch OLED cover screen supports notifications and select apps, while the 6.9-inch AMOLED main display at 120 Hz delivers vibrant visuals. Its camera system includes a 50MP main sensor and a 2MP depth sensor, producing decent photos, though night mode and ultra-wide capabilities are limited. The 4,210 mAh battery offers excellent longevity, lasting over a day, with 32W fast charging, but no wireless option. Running Android 14, it lacks the extensive AI features of pricier models, but provides a clean software experience. The design is sleek and lightweight at 7.0 ounces, with an IPX8 rating for water resistance, though dust protection is absent. Available through retailers like Walmart and Amazon, it's an accessible choice for foldable newcomers. The Nubia Flip 5G sacrifices some flagship features, like a top-tier chipset or advanced cameras to keep costs low, but its gorgeous design and large battery make it stand out. Ideal for budget-conscious buyers wanting a modern flip phone, it blends style, portability, and value, proving foldables don't have to break the bank.